Today's lesson is on area of rectangles, trapezoids, parallelograms, and triangles. First, we're going to find the area of a rectangle. Our formula for area of a rectangle is area equals length times width. So for our rectangle, our length is 4 centimeters and our width is 2 centimeters. So we're going to have that the area equals our length, which was 4, times our width, which was 2. And 4 times 2 is 8. And now we need to label. We label with centimeters, and then our label is squared because we did centimeters times centimeters, so we get square centimeters. So the area of this rectangle is 8 square centimeters. Next, we're going to find the area of a trapezoid. Our formula for area of a trapezoid is area equals 1/2 times the height times the sum of the bases. The bases in this trapezoid would be 5 inches and 3 inches, and our height is 6 inches. Now we need to plug in all of our numbers. So our area equals 1/2 times our height, and our height was 6, and then times the sum of the bases. So we're going to add up our two bases. So we have 3 plus 5. Now we can go ahead and add 3 plus 5, and we will get 8. So our area is going to equal to 1/2 times 6 times 8. It does not matter which order you multiply this in. We can go ahead and just start at the left and multiply. We can do 1/2 times 6, and half of 6 is 3. So now we have 3 times 8, and 3 times 8 is 24. We need to remember to label our answer, and in this problem we're using inches. Since we are finding the area, it's square inches. So we're going to put a 2 after the inches to indicate square inches. So the area of this trapezoid is 24 square inches. Next, we're going to find the area of the parallelogram. Our formula for area of a parallelogram is area equals base times height. Our base on this parallelogram is 11 millimeters, and our height is 4 millimeters. So our area will equal our base, which was 11, times our height, which was 4. And 11 times 4 is 44. And now we need to label. We're using millimeters in this problem. And since this is area, our label is squared. So our answer is 44 square millimeters. And now we're going to find the area of the triangle. For the triangle, our formula is area equals 1/2 times the base times the height. For this triangle, our base is 8 centimeters and our height is 3 centimeters. So we're going to have that the area equals 1/2 times our base, which was 8, times our height, which was 3. Again, it does not matter what order you multiply these in. We'll get the same answer whether we multiply 1/2 times 8 and that answer times 3, or if we did 8 times 3 and then multiplied that by 1/2. So if we go ahead and just multiply, if we do 1/2 times 8, half of 8 is 4. So now we're going to have 4 times 3, and 4 times 3 is 12. This problem has centimeters, so we're going to now need to label with centimeters, and since it's area, we have to have it squared. So our answer is 12 square centimeters.